Kuya Baker's room.
What?
I think this is where we study.
The only problem is it's so like the smallest
Huh?
office.
That's not mine.
Yours?
The smallest office.
You don't have a room because abay naman ka ni Daddy. Boom! Hello, people.
Yay!
Say hi, River.
Sup, 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 sup.
I'm with my kids again.
Playground.
Say hi, Ella.
Playground.
Say hi.
Playground.
Say hi.
Hi!
Alright, you know where we're going now?
To their choose house?
Into the bed.
To the back.
I want to sit in the front.
Ang amigo nga gwapo. Nga nagniwang na pareha namin. Ano nagniwang man tuga? Taas na ka pag sugar?
Wala eh.
Ah, wala din yung
Wala eh.
sing palabi. Na nasapyot mo lagi ka. Siya ang motor sa ato karon. Larga.
Also another there.
Alright, another tag life.
Yahoo!
Dog life.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
So where are we going? Atabot?
Ventura.
Ventura. Oh yeah. Ako karon diri sa Ventura Residences. Nindot kay ang balay dia. Ayan. So diya gapit nga area, daghan na mga balay. Karon diri sa kilid mo ni siya ang mga lote. Ayan, lots for sale. Alright? Medyo paspas diri pa ubusan, busa ka mo diha. Ano mo paglangay-langay pa kung mag-invest mo sa inyong mga kwarta, pwede mo diri Ayan, anak kalamian ning lote rin mong kwaon. At least ikaw na magbuot sa design sa imong balay. Tapos for example, kung nag-invest ka, di ba? Naginahinay lang ka hulog, so para ni sa future nimo, para sa imong mga anak po, di ba? So at least imong kwarta wa masayang. Ayan, lote. Diya daghan pa kayo yung mga bakante nga lote diya kana diya. Yan. Busa ka mo kung mag-invest mo napay bakante. Lote na lang. Di ba? Ayan, nasa ang likod mo na yung mga bakanting lote. Ayan, lote. Di ba? Pero kung gusto mo pingis mo isa ra ka lote, kung decide mo nga daghan lote inyong paliton para mas dako-dako, di ba? Perfect.
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Alright, tara sa ilang mga model house diri. It's raining man. Come on, run. Oh, welcome.
The same house. Woo!
Hello, ma'am.
You might love this.
Oh, you check the house. It's nice.
Oh, yeah, it's your favorite.
The room, so you check on the room.
There's 2 rooms.
Huh?
Does this room have a TV also? Oh, yeah. No.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah. It's nice up here. It's a surprise. Yeah, it's a surprise. Oh, Dadan! Oh, yeah. Thomas again.
This is my bedroom now. This will be my bedroom.
It's nice.
And also, how about mine?
The other side.
I think we'll change it into another bed too.
What?
Oh, there are 2 bedrooms.
I wanted to change it also their bed.
Under ba?
So when
This is
it's
mine.
school day,
Check under.
Mommy can just wake us up.
Watch this, money.
But we have to wake up Ella downstairs because there's also. Where do you sleep?
Oh, no, may bed sila, no?
Double bed.
How about the Ella?
the there.
Diyan ka mag-
Huh?
Not that bed.
Isa bed.
I think this is where we study.
This is
But mine.
It could
This
be
is room. I
What?
think this is where we study.
The only problem is it's so
Also
big. It's like the smallest
Huh?
one.
It's also mine.
Yours?
It's the smallest one.
You don't have a room because abay naman ka ni daddy. Abay mga daddy, hindi magalan si daddy nga.
And then your room is here. Huh?
So,
My room
muna
is
siya,
here?
buraya, second floor.
Where?
Nice, huh? Tapos, sa ubos, saka room 3. There, that's the another room.
Yay, my room!
Uh-huh.
The cabinet. This is where they keep Annabelle.
What?
Really?
Annabelle. Alright.
So that's it.
Nice. Muna isa ka room.
This is my room.
What?
This is my room.
This is Ella's room.
Yes. There's mommy.
And the other room is here.
Yours and mommy's.
Wow. What? Must
But maybe-
Oh, there's the TVs.
Maybe we must change the TV with our TV, the Netflix one. The one with Netflix.
This is yours.
Just give us the
Oh,
Netflix.
then
Oh,
I
it looks
love
creepy.
my flowers. My bag.
Are you here?
One. Then of course, ang ilang kitchen. So it's the kitchen.
I need to pee right now.
So outside lang. See?
Yes. Bathtub.
Where's the
bathtub?
No bathtub.
where's the switch here? This is pila ni ka square meters ni?
110.
110.
How do
Yeah.
you know?
Ayay, Moragan, nag-ulan-ulan na. So kanito rin nga area, ang Adelaida. So kung di nyo gusto nga medyo, ano na, gusto nyo nga na mo balay, diri a house and lot. Medyo under construction pa tanan diri ah. Ayan o. So kamulo pa sila construct diri karon. Busa ka mo diya kung gusto ninyong maka-experience na magpuyo sa Saver Estates. Pero actually, Adelaida na siya. May mga uban diri, ang style diri, mamalit danog mga balay, tapos paninduton. Baligya dayon for sale. Sama ni, kani, mura video dako-dako ni siya nga balay. Under construction ni siya diri. Let me see diri. Oh. Nadi ang kusina. Puti ba? Kani ang room. Mas takot ako yung room diri. Naiagdanan.
Whoops! I thought it's made of glass, but actually it's wet.
What?
Just two rooms.
Mas dako ang room diri, I think.
Here's
See?
the spider.
Nagyan po yung CR. In another room with CR. Wow, per room na CR. Tapos na balcony. So, at mga balay lang. Under construction pa. Adelaida. Nice no kay ilang kwarto per na ay. Nice. Yan. So, nagano kamulo construction diri sa likod. Oh. Ah. There. Nice houses.
Can we stay at the front?
Yep, we're going to the next stop. Alright, that's for now. Bye guys. Boom! Oh yeah, people. Bulingit pa kayo ko. And gipanggutoman may gikan sa bukid. So hapit mi sa boom. Yes. Boom. Oh yeah. So kung tripping ninyo mga tuna pang tuna belly uban seafood tirada, pinaka the best diri is ang ses tuna. Oh yeah. Boom! Hurot. Basta lagi pa nga may gala, hurot. Sinaw diretso.
Sino? Ang.
Bigig. Bigig.
Oy!
Bigig. 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 Hurot. Sarap. Sarap ng seafoods.